Good morning, students. Before class, after completed second problem in exercise 7.3. Now third problem. Now the problem is find the area of the triangle formed by the joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle, whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. So problem is main basic on the area of the triangle. First you can take one triangle, that is triangle A, B, C. These are the three vertices of a triangle. Already given here, area of the triangle formed by the joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle, whose vertices. Here also given three vertices. First vertex is 0, minus 1, take that one A. And second vertex B, that is 2, 1. Third vertex vertex 0, 3. These are the given three vertices of a triangle ABC. Now you can take the midpoints here. The triangle formed by the joining the midpoints of the sides. Here AB is the one side, BC second side, AC third side. These three sides having three midpoints. That take D, E, F. These are the midpoints. Now D, E, F, that is three midpoints form a triangle. That is the triangle name is triangle DEF. Okay. The triangle DEF here. Okay. What is the problem is given? Find the area of the triangle formed by the joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. Already joined midpoints. One triangle is formed. Okay, whose vertices ABC versus triangle midpoints మనం జాయిన్ చేస్తే ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అయింది. ఆ ఫామ్ అయినటువంటి ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దట్ ఈస్ ట్రయాంగిల్ DEF. దిస్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ triangle DEF and first given triangle is there, that is area of triangle ABC. We find these two triangle areas and ratio. We ask to find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Given triangle is ABC. Okay, now we find new triangle, that is DEF. DEF, how to get midpoints of the sides. So area of the triangle DEF and the area of the triangle ABC. Two triangles here, find areas. Here asked find the ratio of the areas of the two triangles. So first you can take given solution. What is given? Vertices of a triangle. Given vertices of a triangle. Name first one A, that is 0, minus 1, B 2, 1 and C 0, 3. These are the given vertices. Let us take A, B, C. Now find the area of the triangle A, B, C. This triangle area we can now find. Already you know that formula. If A x1 by 1, B x2 by 2, C and C x3 by 3 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Then area of the triangle. Formula you know already, that is equal half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3. How to remember? You know that already. Order is coming 1, 2, 3 plus x1 was completed. Next x2 second term started with x2. y3 minus y1. 2 first started with 2 after 3, 4 not there, so 1 2, 3, 1 plus x3, x1, x2, x3 third term. Next 3 x3 after y1 minus y2. Modulus close. This is the area of the triangle. Before problems you can use this formula. So many problems are already practiced. So here ABC are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Then the area of the triangle of modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now we can take A, B, C are given vertices.
The given vertex is what? A. A means here 0, -1, B 2, 1 and C. How much? 0, 3 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Then now you can find area. The area of the triangle ABC. Area of the triangle ABC equal to half modulus of here x1. First vertex x1 y1, second vertex x2 y2, third vertex x3 y3. Now substitute the values above formula. X1 means here 0 into y2 minus y3. That means 1 minus y3. How much here? 3 plus x2. x2 means here 2. Substitute the values in formula. y3. y3 means 3 minus y1. y1 means already here minus. So minus of -1 you get. Next third term. Third term what? x3 you can start. x3 means how much here? 0 into y1 minus y2. y1 is -1, y2 is +1. So -1, here formula minus is there, y2 is 1 there. Modulus close. Now simplification of modulus of 0 into 1 minus 3 means you get -2. Minus is more value. Plus 2 into minus here in bracket. Minus into minus is there, plus that is equal to 3 plus 1. Last term, that is third term. 0 into -1 adding -1. You get -2. Modulus close. Of modulus of 0 into any number. We get 0. So modulus of 0 plus 3 plus 1. That is in bracket 4 we get. 4 into 2. 8. Plus 0 into any number. You get 0. So last term also 0 you get. Adding modulus of 0 plus 8 plus 0 we get 8. In modulus value positive. So remove the modulus. That is you get 8. Already before half is there. Half into 8. Simplification you get 4. That is equal to 4. What you get? Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle ABC. Value how much you get? 4 square units. Because area is coming in. Area is there in square units. So first one is given triangle. Vertices are there. So first ABC triangle area you can find. Next second triangle area we want. How to get? First you find midpoints. AB vertices is there. That is AB is the line segment. AB midpoint you can find. That is D. Already you know the formula. If A x1 y1, B x2 y2, then the midpoint of AB equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That formula you can use. No. Why? You can find the midpoints. D, E, L. Midpoints are not there. So you can first find midpoints. After midpoints finding, you find the area of triangle DEF. So first you can find midpoints. Now you write formula. If P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. These 2 points are taken. Suppose like that P here and Q here. This is first one x1 y1. Second one x2 y2. Now you find midpoint, that is equal to M. How to get midpoint formula you know. What is that? M equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by, already you know that formula. So PQ, P x1 y1 Q x2 y2. The midpoint of PQ, that is M. How to get M is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2. These formula for midpoint finding. Same concept we can use A, B. A equal to how much here? 0, -1. That is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. So you find midpoint D. This formula you can here write out. P x1 y1 Q x2 y2 are the 2 points of PQ line segment. Then midpoint of PQ. Then midpoint of PQ line segment is formula you know already. x1 plus x2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by. This is the formula for finding the midpoints. Now we can use finding AB. AB line segment. Take A. At 0, -1 and B 2, 1 are the points of line segment AB. Then midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB equal to here. Take midpoint of AB equal to D. So you can substitute the formula. First one x1, y1. Second one x2, y2. Okay, midpoint of AB equal to D. How to get D means substitute the formula. x1 means 0 plus x2 means 2 by 2 substitute. x1 plus x2 by 2. Next y1 plus y2 by 2. Here formula is there. So y1 is how much? Minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Now simplification. 0 plus 2. How much? 2 by denominator 2. Y coordinate. Minus 1 plus 1. 0. Numerator. By 2. In simplification, we get to x coordinate 1. 0 by 2 means value how much here? 0. So first you get to midpoint D. After you get to midpoint E. Now the take points B, C. You get the midpoint of E. B means how much? 2, 1. And C, how much? 0, 3 are the points of line segment DC. Then midpoint of BC is the midpoint of BC equal to midpoint of BC name you can take, that is E, that is equal to, the substitute the formula. Okay, x1 plus x2. This one x1, y1. This one x2, y2. x1 means how much? 2 plus x2 means 0 by 2. y1 plus y2. y1 plus y2 means 3 by 2. Now simplification. 2 plus 0, 2 by 2. Y coordinates 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4 by 2. Now simplification. 1, 2 we get, that is equal to x coordinate 1, y coordinate is 2. Now completed midpoint of E. Next we find midpoint of F. How to get midpoint of F? Take A, C are the line segment. A means how much here? 0, minus 1. And C means how much? 0, 3 are the points of AC line segment. Then midpoint of AC equal to what you can take midpoint name? F. Midpoint of AC equal to F. Therefore F equal to, how to get to? The formula, midpoint of the formula. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this one x1, y1. This one x2, y2. Now substitute that. x1 plus x2. 0 plus 0 by 2. Next y1 plus y2. Minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Now simplification. That is equal to 0 plus 0, 0 by 2. And y coordinates 3 minus 1. You get 2. 2 by 2. That means 0 by 2 means numerator 0. So you get the value 0. X coordinate value 0. Y coordinates 2, 2. That means you get 1 time. So value is 1. Now you get midpoints are D, E, F. Okay, already D point how much you get? Here D point 1, 0. And E point how much you get? 1, 2. And last one, third point F of midpoint 0, 1. Now find the area of triangle DEF. Okay, already you know the formula, area of the triangle. Here you know AX1, Y1, BX2, Y2, CX3, Y3. Then the area of the triangle equal to of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now substitute the values DEF in area of the triangle. Okay, now okay. Now to find the area of the triangle DEF. Okay, already points you know that. Area, first you write the formulas, that is D. D equal to how much here? You get 1, 0. And E, how much you get? 1, 2. And f that is equal to 0 comma 1 are the vertices of triangle DEF. Then area of the triangle. Then area of the triangle DEF equal to half modulus of. Now the substitute the formula. Already formula you know that. First one x1 y1, second one x2 y2, third one x3 y3. Substitute that first x1. x1 means how much here? 1 into next y2 minus y3 here. y2 minus y3. y2 means how much here? 2 minus y3. y3 means you get 1 plus in formula plus second term. Start with x2. x2 means how much here? 1 into y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1 means y3 value is 1 minus y1. y1 is 0. Okay. Next third term plus third term over first one is x3. x3 value is 0 into y1 minus y1. y1 here 0 minus y2. y2 is 2. Now simplify modulus close. Of modulus of 1 into 2 minus 1 you get 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 you get 1. 0 into 0 minus 2 you get minus 2 modulus close. Next you can simplify of modulus of 1 into 1 you get 1 plus second term also 1 into 1 1 you get. Third term 0 into any number you get 0. Now simplification in modulus 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 you get 2. Of modulus of 2. Already positive value you get in modulus. So remove modulus 1 by 2 into 2 that is equal to 1. That is the value area of the triangle DEF value is 1. Okay. Now you find ratio. Which ratio? First given triangle ABC triangle area of the triangle ABC and area of the triangle DEF. Both areas are you get. Okay. Here what you get? Area of the triangle DEF is value. Okay. Now here right. Area of the here get what? Area of the triangle DEF equal to 1 square unit. That is you get. Now you find ratio. Okay. You remove that diagram. Area of the square is 1 square unit. Okay. Now you find the ratio of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. Okay. Area of the triangle DEF what you get already here. How much you get? 1 is. Next triangle ABC already you get here 4. So you can write that 4. This is the ratio of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. In problem asked required ratio of the triangle DEF and ABC. Therefore, required ratio is 1:4. So this is the required ratio. What you here doing? First given triangle ABC, find the ABC area. Okay. After ABC area, next once again ABC. Find midpoints of AB, BC, AC. The midpoints are D, E, F. After finding the midpoints, okay. After finding the midpoints, you compare. We find area of the DEF. Okay. Now last one, we compare the areas triangle ABC and triangle DEF. First ask area of the ratio of DEF and ABC. So first you write area of triangle DEF and area of triangle ABC ratios. This is the problem. Now this model you practice. Another problem also is there. So first you can write down and practice this 2 times or 3 times. How much you get? Okay, thank you. వాళ్ళకి అర్థమైంది